What is up, you guys? And today I'm going to be demonstrating my grandmother's Wurlitzer. It is a Tonewheel organ. You can hear it firing up. And right down here you've got your principal bass pedals. Some of them are a bit, have a bad connection, but like that one. The amplifiers in here, of course, original valve based, and right now I have none of the stops on. So let's start with the 16-foot board on. Trombone, flute, diapason, 8-foot string, trumpet, oboe, quint. So that's 5 1/3 stop, and orchestral flute, violina. Now, as for the lower manuals, you've got the Melodia, so cello, horn, harmonic flute, and string. Now, an interesting feature about this organ, you just put a couple stops out. Yeah, I mean a lot of stops out. Okay, so you've got sustain. Let's start with the bass pedals. I don't know if you can hear it through the camera, but on the upper ranks you'll definitely be able to hear it. And of course, over here, spectrotone stuff, like spectrotone, vibrato, and chorus. There's not much vibrato, but this particular unit has Leslie speakers. So if you turn this vibrato on, of course you might not be able to. Oh, you can't see it because it's down underneath, but there's a little revolving speaker down there. Yeah, and you've got upper to lower couplers. Foot upper to lower couplers. Upper to lower couplers. 4-foot. I hear a slight difference in tone, not by much. And also the pedal has settings, of course, 16-foot and 8-foot stops. With principal, it is just 16-foot stop really gives it that roar, and then major bass, a little bit more harmonically rich. So a little bit buzzy. The swell pedal has some dust in it, so I'm still figuring out what this spectratone does. Let's just turn both off. Spectratone vibrato. So, I don't know if you can hear this on the camera. It sounds like it's coming from a different part of the organ. And the spectratone chorus is... I haven't been inside this thing in a long time. Last time was to replace this switch, which went up in smoke, oddly enough, when I was over at my aunt's house. So. I'm not really much of an organist. Well, that's all for today, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you then. Bye.